This is Jake. Today we're going to be doing a tutorial for the particle Photon, and we're going to be looking at webhooks. So hope you enjoy it. We're in the particle.io website in the guide section under webhooks. And we're going to follow through mostly the tutorial that they have built in here. I'm going to skip through a little bit here, but I would recommend that you read all of this so you can understand a little bit more about what's going on. They're still building out a beautiful, as they say, intuitive web interface, so right now we have to do it through the terminal. Now if you haven't used the terminal before, you may need to go back and learn how to do that, and there are instructions and links on how to do that here. We're not going to create it with a JSON file, we're going to do it a different way, so we're just going to skip ahead here and learn how to see what webhooks you already have, how to delete. We're going to move right down here to building our first webhook. We're going to do that by capturing weather data from the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration's website. Now they've already got XML feeds built out for many different locations. So we're going to do the same one that they have, which is in Minnesota and Minneapolis, St. Paul. We're going to click right here on the XML page. And you can see if you go right here and you look at the source, you're going to see what information is going to be passed over to your particle photon. And you can see right here they've got the location, these tags on either side of all the information you're going to need. And this is how you're going to parse out what information you want. You can see that they have information on all sorts of different things. So why don't you go ahead and copy the URL and then open up your terminal, and you're going to log into your particle, and once you've done that you can go ahead and type in the command particle webhook get, and we're going to name it get min for Minnesota or Minneapolis, I suppose, weather. And that's the only, and I'm going to paste in that XML URL. And this min is the only thing that I've done differently from the online tutorial that they've already created. So you can see that I've successfully created the webhook, and it gives you an ID there. That's all we really needed to do. If you continue on down here, you'll see the weather firmware. Now I've just copied over all of this code and brought it in to the particle dev software. Now the only thing I need to do is, like I said, I changed the name of the webhook. So you need to come in here, and where it says get weather, you need to type in your code, and then here's the other place right here, your name for that. Save it, and then flash it over to your particle photon. And if you look through the code here, you'll see that in order to display this information, we're doing serial print lines. So as soon as that flashes over, we're going to open up the serial monitor and watch it pull that information from the XML sites. So that's blinking, about ready to be done right now. And we'll connect. And they built in this little timer to give you enough time to get in to see it happen. Requesting the weather, and here it comes already. Minneapolis, Minnesota, St. Paul International Airport. The weather is overcast, temperature 35 degrees Fahrenheit, west at 11.5 miles per hour. Well, there you have it. There's a lot of other information that comes over in the XML file, so you can parse out whatever information you might need to use in your application. Congratulations, you just did your first webhook.